Want to keep your Dropbox files with you wherever you go. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Dropbox on your iPhone, from installing the app and uploading files to sharing links, saving files offline, and managing your account. First, open the App Store and search for Dropbox. Select the official Dropbox app and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Dropbox account. If you already have the app, you can skip this part and open Dropbox directly. After signing in, you'll see your Dropbox files and folders. Tap a folder to open it, or tap a file to preview it. Use the navigation options to move between your files, recent activity, and other available sections of the app. To upload something from your iPhone, tap the plus button or the available upload option. Choose a file, photo, or video, then select where you want it stored. Dropbox will upload the item to your account. Once it's synced, you can access it from your other devices too. If you need to access a file without an internet connection, open its options and choose the available offline option. This keeps supported content available on your iPhone even when you're offline. This can be especially useful when traveling or working without reliable internet. Sharing files from your iPhone is easy. Open the File menu, tap Share, and choose how you want to send it. You can share a link or use another available sharing method. Before sending, check the access settings so the right people can view the file. To keep your Dropbox organized, create folders for different projects, documents, photos, or other content. Open an Items menu to find actions such as moving, renaming, or deleting. So a simple folder structure can make finding your files much faster. Finally, open the Dropbox settings to review your account and app preferences. Depending on your setup, you may find options for notifications, camera uploads, security, offline content, and account management. Take a quick look so Dropbox works the way you want. And that's how to use Dropbox on your iPhone. Install the app, sign in, upload your files, keep important content available offline, share files when needed, and organize everything into folders. Once you know these basics, managing your Dropbox from an iPhone is pretty simple.